Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Spice Rack's Secret Series, the place to uncover the mystery of spices. Today, we're going to dive into the secret journey of paprika, the colorful kick in every sprinkle. From smoky to sweet, this vibrant powder turns simple dishes into bold masterpieces. From deviled eggs to roasted veggies and even creamy hummus, paprika adds a pop of red and a kick of character. Whether it's sweet, smoky, or spicy, this little red powder brightens both your plate and your palate. But have you ever stopped to wonder what paprika actually is and why it comes in so many delicious shades? To answer that, we'll need to travel back thousands of years to where the pepper's journey began. Paprika starts with chili peppers, first cultivated in Central America by ancient civilizations like the Mayans. These peppers traveled across the ocean with Spanish explorers and found a second home in Europe. Hungary and Spain embraced them, grinding them into powder and building flavor traditions that would last for centuries. A simple pepper became something magical. So how exactly do fresh peppers become the bold, beautiful paprika we sprinkle today? It all begins with harvesting fully ripe red peppers, chosen for flavor and color. These are dried under the sun or smoked over wood fires, then ground into a fine, rich powder. Some are sweet, others are fiery, and a few carry a deep, smoky soul. What you get depends on the pepper, the process, and the place it was made. That's why paprika comes in more than just one type, each with its own personality. Not all paprikas are created equal. Spanish smoked paprika brings deep, woodsy notes perfect for paella. Hungarian sweet paprika is bright and gentle, great for stews and soups. And if you like it hot, there's a fiery paprika that turns up the heat in an instant. Each version offers its own flavor adventure in shades of red. But paprika doesn't just bring flavor, it also comes with some spicy health benefits. Paprika is more than just pretty powder. It's full of antioxidants, vitamin A, and capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their heat. These nutrients may help reduce inflammation, support heart health, and even rev up your metabolism. Flavor and function, all in one spoonful. And the benefits don't stop there. Paprika is surprisingly nutritious, even in small amounts. A single teaspoon of paprika delivers bold flavor with almost no calories. It's rich in carotenoids, which support healthy vision and strengthen the immune system. That means more glow for your eyes and more protection for your body. Who knew a sprinkle could be so powerful? No wonder paprika has become a global favorite, turning up in kitchens across continents. In Spain, it's the secret behind the flavor in paella. In Hungary, it's essential to rich, red goulash. In the U.S., you'll find it in BBQ rubs, seasoning everything from ribs to roasted potatoes. Whether smoked, sweet, or spicy, paprika connects cultures with every pinch. And in Hungary, it's more than a spice. It's a source of pride and celebration. Hungary treats paprika like royalty. You'll find it in art, cooking contests, and even entire festivals dedicated to the spice. In the town of Kalocsa, there's a paprika museum that honors its deep roots. It's a spice with its own fan club. But before you go sprinkling it on everything, here are a few tips for cooking with paprika like a pro. Paprika burns easily, so don't toss it into blazing hot oil. Instead, stir it into warm oil or add it after removing your pan from the heat. Keep your paprika in a dark, cool spot to preserve its color and flavor. Treat it right, and it'll stay bold and bright. For such a tiny sprinkle, paprika sure has made a big impact. Paprika's journey began with ancient peppers and blossomed into a global spice story. It brings color, warmth, and character to dishes in every corner of the world. One little pinch can brighten a whole plate and a whole culture. Now that's spice with a legacy. If you love flavor that pops, subscribe and spice up your knowledge.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.